Hi! In the last tutorial, we learned how to animate the position of a balloon using keyframes, right? In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to use the pen tool to animate objects along a curved path. Now, the file that I'm using is already on the link below of the video. You can find the Adobe After Effects file, the one that I just have right here, or you can use and start it from the beginning, like importing the Adobe Illustrator file and have it right here where it says composition. It's up to you. Remember that the more you practice, you're going to get better with this. What are we going to do? Let me show it to you right now. We're going to do this video. We're going to make a car move through a path, okay? As you see, it's really short. And I'm going to do this video really brief and short because I want you to have fun and find out that the software is really amazing. I'm loving it. So the first step that we're going to do is to create a path. We're going to use the pen tool to draw a path for our animation directly on the background layer of the composition. So we have to select background. You have to be sure to have to select the background layer in the timeline panel. Now, you're going to select the pen tool in the tool panel. Where is it? If you have remembered that in the past, maybe you remember, not you have remembered, maybe you remember that we have used Illustrator and Photoshop with the pen tool. Here you're going to find the pen tool at the top, okay? And this is really close to the top menu. So what are we going to do? We're going to start doing a path all around here. Don't be afraid, you're going to find out that is pretty cool. You already done this in InDesign too, if I'm not wrong, okay? Now, starting next to the road, slightly outside of the composition. This is really important. And click on the anchor points that you think that are going to work for you. Now, in case you don't want, I don't know, the position of one point and you want to change it, for example, I don't like this one and I want to change it, remember that you can click, drag it, and then release it. Now, when you add a path to a layer, it is add a mask under the layer setting. To create the motion of the car, we're going to copy the position of the mask we just created and paste it onto the position car. How do I know that it is a mask? Well, the first thing to do is go to here with the background layer selected. Be sure to have this one. Press M. We're going to see and learn about some shortcuts, okay? When you press M, you're going to reveal the add mask, you know, our animation path, the one that we have right here. And click on the words mask path to select the path and press Ctrl C or Command C to copy, to copy the mask. So I'm going to come here, Command C because I have a Mac, Ctrl C if you have a PC. Now we're going to select the red color layer, the one that we have here at the top, and we're going to press P to reveal the position property, okay? P, there you have it, the position, and click on the position setting, this one, the one that we have just below, and press Command B or Ctrl B or paste, paste the position of the path onto the car, okay? Command B because I have this one. Now you can see that the car is going outside my composition, right? Now, we're almost done. This video is going to be short. But if you, for example, if you play back the animation, you're going to notice, let me play it, I'm pressing the space bar. You're going to find out that the car is not going through the animation the way we were expecting, right? It's like moving really weird. Now we're going to change the orientation of the car setting and we're going to make the animation look more realistic by making the car always face the direction of the motion, right? Because we don't want this. We want it to be like rotated a little bit. So what are we going to do? We're going to press Command Option O if you have a Mac, Control Alt O if you have a PC, okay? So you're going to find out that you're going to have this window and it's going to show you auto orientation. Please, let's select where it says orient along path, okay? Click. With the red car layer selected, we have to be sure to have this one selected. You're going to press R. Guess what? R is rotation. And we're going to open the rotation property for the red car layer. Now we're going to drag the rotation angle. Remember that here you can drag the rotation in this area on the timeline, okay? And you're going to drag it till you see that the car is already aligned to the line. Now let's see, in my case I have to drag it to the left. I am moving this right here. In my case, I am placing minus, okay? Now, press the spacebar to preview the animation and press again spacebar if you want to stop. So I'm going to press, it goes better. Now let's see how it goes from the beginning, okay? There it goes. And voila, you already know how to do an animation of an object to move along a path. So congratulations, I'm clapping for you. Nice job.